Hi, I'm Mr. Michael Schmidt, member of the MHSA math team here at the Arts. We offer Springboard Mathematics here. It's a highly engaging, student-centered instructional program. It's based on college and career readiness standards for mathematics. Secondly, we offer Mathia. It's the math software program developed by Carnegie Learning. It's an ambitious and challenging instructional program designed and research proven to take students to the next level in their mathematics. Thirdly, we offer Math 103, the UWM course that's for seniors and exclusively offered here at the Arts. Next, I'd like you to watch this video depicting Springboard Mathematics in action.
I'm Haven. I'm 15 years old. I'm in 10th grade. I'm a member of student council. I've been in Beta Club for 6 years. I want to go to a 4-year university and med school because I want to be a neurosurgeon. Springboard's definitely prepared me for higher levels of education because it forces me to think on a different level, and it allows you to take things and problems and put them into real world situations, and that's something that even after college that would be useful. I'm also taking AP Chemistry online because of Springboard allowing me to look ahead and organize everything and work with others. It allows me to set out goals and what knowledge I need to know for each lesson. You sort of become a role model for other students that don't necessarily think they could handle those classes. Springboard forces me to explore things about myself that I wouldn't have thought about before.
Wow, Springboard is an excellent way to present the mathematics to the students in order to maximize their learning. Next on the agenda, we have Mathia, the inspirational math software program provided through Carnegie Learning. I will show this video clip now, and it refers to the program as Mathia X, and it's more recently known as just Mathia.
Imagine providing students with one-on-one instruction to help identify each of their individual strengths and weaknesses when it comes to critical math skills. That's exactly what Mathia X allows you to do. Developed by Carnegie Learning and proven to increase learning outcomes, Mathia X offers students the best math in the galaxy, presented through interactive manipulatives and exploratory tools that make math fun. From day one, students will be able to learn using real-world lessons and step-by-step examples that will allow them to ask for hints if they get stuck, as well as delivering the exact content and amount of practice needed to become a math master. Mathia X will also show students their progress along the way, so they know exactly what skills they still need to work on in order to complete the course. Rather than simply gauging right and wrong answers, the program stores and analyzes every keystroke, adapting the content based on each step of the problem to map the student's thought process according to their answers. Assessment is part of the learning process, providing students with more time focused on learning. Mathia X is so personalized that no two content paths are the same. Through the most precise differentiated instruction and embedded assessment, Mathia X works to develop areas identified as weaknesses, helps students master new concepts, and provides predictive reports for teachers that project student performance. Unprecedented learning outcomes are within reach. See how on our website.
Yes, Mathia is a great difference maker, preparing students to be successful in their mathematics. Next, I'd like to talk about Math 103. The UWM course offered here exclusively at MHSA. It's a dual credit class, so each student receives a high school credit and 3 college credits. It's tuition free, so each student saves nearly $1,500. 45 MHSA seniors received those 3 college credits and a high school credit last year. I would call that the icing on the cake as to why you should come here to MHSA and do your math at the Arts. Hope to see you next year.